Want to blend images like a pro and make your photos pop? Welcome to the ultimate guide on masking in Adobe Photoshop. Today, we'll unlock the magic of non-destructive editing and learn how to separate subjects, combine images, and create stunning compositions. Let's start with the basics. We'll be using layer masks, which allow you to conceal parts of a layer, revealing the layers beneath. Our approach is non-destructive, meaning you can always go back and refine your edits first. To create a layer mask, head to your Layers panel, click on the image you're trying to edit, and then click on the mask icon, which looks like a rectangle with a circle in it. You'll see a white rectangle appear next to your image thumbnail. This indicates a blank mask. A white mask shows everything, black hides everything, and gray is partially visible. Now, let's get practical. Select the brush tool, choose black as your foreground color, paint over the areas you want to hide. On the mask itself, you'll see those parts of the image disappear, revealing the background behind them. Need precision. Adjust your brush size and hardness. Need to bring something back. Switch to white and paint on the mask. This can reveal certain elements you may have erased. For complex selections, explore the selection tools like the Quick Selection tool or the Select Subject command. Once you have your selection, click the mask icon, and Photoshop will automatically create a mask based on that selection. Refine the mask with the brush as needed, and you can even combine multiple images, creating composites that were once impossible. Keep practicing, have fun, and experiment with these essential masking techniques. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. Happy masking!